Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on notifications for recently uploaded reels on Instagram. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, select Hamburger menu. Next, open Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Notifications. After that, open Live and Reels. After that, select the button beside On under the recently uploaded Reels section. And that's it. This is how you can turn on notifications for recently uploaded reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.